Welcome to this episode where I'll share an amazing 10-day itinerary to visit UNESCO World Heritage Sites, historical cities, and the stunning desert landscapes of Iran. Join me as I guide you through the best of Iran travel, offering tips on how to travel in Iran effortlessly. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more Iran itinerary insights and travel to Iran adventures. Traveling to Iran is made convenient with Mahan Airlines, which offers numerous flights to Iran from various international destinations. Before you embark on your journey, ensure you learn about visa regulations and requirements to streamline your arrival process. Organize your entire trip on visitoriran.com, a comprehensive platform offering everything from package tours and local flights to SIM cards and debit cards, all for starts from $900 to $1,000. On our first day, we arrived in Tehran afternoon and checked in at the elegant Azadi Hotel, where we enjoyed a delightful dinner. The tour company provided us with SIM cards and debit cards at the hotel, ensuring we were well prepared for our journey around Iran. On our second day in Tehran, we started our exploration at the National Museum of Iran, where we marveled at the extensive collection of ancient artifacts that traced the rich history of Persia. Next, we visited the Islamic Museum, immersing ourselves in the intricate art and cultural treasures from various Islamic periods. Afterward, we enjoyed a leisurely walk along the park at Khaju Square, soaking in the local atmosphere and vibrant city life. For lunch, we headed to a charming spot near the Grand Bazaar, where we savored traditional Iranian cuisine. Post-lunch, we made our way to the magnificent Golestan Palace, starting with the stunning marble throne, a symbol of royal opulence. We then explored the historic Karim Khan nook, where the past kings of Persia once sought solace. Continuing our tour, we visited all the intricate interior rooms of the palace, each one more lavish and ornate than the last, showcasing the grandeur of Qajar architecture. The lush gardens of Golestan Palace provided a serene backdrop, offering a peaceful escape from the bustling city. After admiring the gardens, we walked through the Grand Bazaar, an endless maze of shops and stalls brimming with goods. Shopping for souvenirs in the Grand Bazaar was an exciting experience, with countless unique items to choose from, ranging from handmade crafts to traditional textiles. The vibrant energy of the bazaar, combined with the friendly interactions with local vendors, made it a memorable part of our day. As the day came to a close, we finished our exploration of the area and returned to our hotel. We had a delightful dinner at the hotel, reflecting on the day's adventures and the rich cultural heritage we had experienced. The meal was a perfect end to a day filled with history, art, and local flavors. After dinner, we relaxed and rested, preparing ourselves for another day of discovery in Iran. In the morning, we had a domestic flight to Shiraz with Mahan Airlines. While landing in Shiraz, there were magnificent views of Pink Lake Maharloo from the plane window. Upon arrival, we checked in at the Zandier Hotel, a beautiful accommodation located in the historic Zand district. The Zand district is known for its rich cultural heritage, bustling markets, and architectural marvels from the Zand dynasty era. Our first stop was the Aram Garden, famous for its amazing landscapes and stunning Persian architecture. Wandering through the garden, we were captivated by the lush greenery and the elegant design of the buildings and pathways. Next, we visited the Ali ibn Hamza Shrine, a serene and spiritually uplifting place. Inside the shrine, we were amazed by the intricate glass walls that reflected light in a kaleidoscope of colors. After spending some peaceful moments there, we proceeded to Maharloo Lake, also known as the Pink Lake. Maharloo Lake is renowned for its striking pink hue, caused by the high concentration of salts and minerals. We made sure to capture the surreal beauty of the lake by taking numerous photos and videos. As the day came to an end, we turned back to the hotel for dinner, enjoying a delicious meal that reflected the rich culinary traditions of Shiraz. Finally, we had some rest, preparing ourselves for the busy schedule planned for the next day. The second day in Shiraz was truly enchanting, filled with historical sights and natural wonders that left us in awe. We started the day at Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, a stunning example of Qajar-era architecture known for its breathtaking stained glass windows. Often referred to as the Pink Mosque, it is famous for its intricate tile work and the way sunlight transforms the interior into a vibrant display of colors. After admiring the magnificent interiors of the mosque with its colored glass windows, we headed to Persepolis, a 45-minute drive away. Persepolis, the ancient ceremonial capital of the Achaemenid Empire, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases the grandeur of Persian civilization. We walked around the historical ruins at Persepolis, marveling at the impressive columns and detailed reliefs that tell stories of ancient Persia. I tried delicious ice cream at Persepolis, which was a refreshing treat amid our exploration. For lunch, we visited a nearby restaurant, enjoying a meal that combined traditional flavors with modern culinary techniques. Afterward, we headed to Naqsh-e Rostam, an ancient necropolis carved into a cliff face, featuring the rock-cut tombs of Persian kings. The site also includes impressive bas-reliefs depicting scenes of royal ceremonies and battles. Then, we turned back to the city and walked around the Zand district, known for its vibrant atmosphere and historical significance. Our first treat in the Zand district was trying Shiraz ice cream, a local delicacy with a unique taste. We then walked inside the Agha of Karim Khan, a fortress built during the Zand dynasty, known for its impressive architecture and historical importance. Inside the Agha of Karim Khan, we visited a historical Iranian hammam, which offered a glimpse into the traditional bathing culture of the region. After exploring the Agha, we had group photos taken at the "I Love Shiraz" sign at Zand Square, capturing our memorable day in the city. We then walked toward the Vakil Bazaar, a bustling market known for its labyrinthine alleys and vibrant stalls. Inside Vakil Bazaar, we indulged in some shopping, picking up souvenirs and local handicrafts. An evening walk around the Zand district allowed us to soak in the city's lively ambience as day turned to night. Eventually, we turned back to our hotel for dinner, enjoying a satisfying meal that reflected the rich culinary traditions of Shiraz. After dinner, we rested in preparation for our long journey the next day. This day in Shiraz was filled with cultural, historical, and culinary delights that left us with lasting memories. The next morning, we headed toward Yazd from Shiraz. On the way, we visited Pasargad, an ancient city known as the capital of the Achaemenid Empire and the site of the tomb of Cyrus the Great. The historical significance of Pasargad, combined with its well-preserved ruins, offered us a glimpse into the grandeur of ancient Persia. As we continued our journey to Yazd, we were captivated by the magnificent mountainous landscapes that framed our route. Upon arriving in Yazd, our first stop was the Dakmezar, or Towers of Silence, where Zoroastrians once performed their ancient funerary rituals. These towers, set on barren hilltops, provided a hauntingly beautiful view and deep cultural insight. After our visit, we checked in at the Dad Hotel, conveniently located in the center of Yazd. The Dad Hotel in Yazd is a beautifully restored traditional hotel that offers a blend of historic charm and modern comforts, providing guests with an authentic Persian experience. In the afternoon, we explored Amir Chaghmagh Square, a prominent complex known for its symmetrical sunken alcoves and bustling atmosphere. We attended an Iranian wrestling show called Zurkhaneh, which combines physical exercise with traditional music and rituals. Zurkhaneh, meaning house of strength, is a unique blend of martial arts, calisthenics, strength training, and music, reflecting the deep cultural heritage of Iran. Later, we visited a historical water supply system, known as a qanat, showcasing the ingenious ancient Persian methods of water management. As evening approached, we took a leisurely walk around Amir Chaghmagh Square, enjoying the beautifully lit surroundings. We visited several shops to buy souvenirs and took night shots of the square, capturing its magical ambience. For dinner, we ventured to another hotel, where we enjoyed a delicious meal in a charming setting. Finally, we returned to the Dad Hotel, where we rested and prepared for the busy schedule awaiting us the next day. Our day in Yazd was filled with historical exploration, cultural experiences, and scenic beauty, leaving us with a deep appreciation for this ancient city's rich heritage. The next day, we started with a visit to the Fire Temple of Yazd, a sacred Zoroastrian site that houses a flame said to have been burning for over 1,500 years. This temple is a symbol of the ancient Zoroastrian religion and a testament to the enduring spiritual traditions of the region. Then we headed to the Jameh Mosque of Yazd, an architectural marvel known for its magnificent twin minarets and intricate tile work. This mosque, dating back to the 12th century, is a masterpiece of Persian Islamic architecture and a key landmark of Yazd. After that, we visited the Clock Tower, another iconic landmark of the city, which stands proudly in the central square. Leaving Yazd, we journeyed toward the Varzana Desert. On the way, we stopped at Neen for lunch at a traditional restaurant, enjoying local delicacies and the town's quaint charm. After lunch, we arrived in Varzana and checked into Nagar Guest House, a cozy and welcoming place that perfectly captured the essence of the desert environment. The guest house organized a desert safari for us, complete with an exciting lineup of activities and a dinner. We took a walk in the desert at sunset, marveling at the serene and vast landscape bathed in golden light. As the evening progressed, we enjoyed some desert activities like sand surfing, feeling the thrill of gliding down the dunes. However, due to heavy wind in the desert, we moved our dinner to one of the agricultural cottages nearby. The organizers cooked delicious Iranian kebabs for us, offering an authentic taste of local cuisine. During dinner, we socialized with other travelers, sharing stories and experiences. After a delightful evening, we returned to the guest house to finalize our day, reflecting on the memorable experiences and the beauty of the desert. We started the day on our way towards Isfahan. First, we checked in at Garsa Monche Boutique Hotel and enjoyed a delightful lunch there. Garsa Monche Boutique Hotel is a charming and historic establishment, known for its beautiful Persian architecture, luxurious rooms, and excellent service. In the afternoon, we visited one of the famous miniaturists, Tobi Behesti. Tobi Behesti showed us some painting techniques and provided fascinating information about the intricate art of miniatures. Next, we arrived at Ati Square, a historic site with a rich cultural heritage. From there, we visited the bazaar, walking through its bustling corridors as we made our way toward the Jameh Mosque of Isfahan. Upon arriving at the Jameh Mosque, we spent some time taking photographs and soaking in the serene atmosphere. The Jameh Mosque, also known as the Friday Mosque, is one of the oldest mosques in Iran, renowned for its stunning architecture, detailed tile work, and historical significance. Then, we arrived at the Jolva district, the Armenian quarter of Isfahan. In Jolva, we visited the Vank Cathedral, an impressive example of Armenian architecture. The Vank Cathedral, built in the 17th century, is famous for its beautiful frescoes, stunning interior, and the blend of Armenian and Persian architectural styles. After exploring the cathedral, we enjoyed some night walks around the Jolva district, visiting shops and cafes that added to the area's vibrant and multicultural ambience. We ended the day at the hotel with an authentic Iranian dinner, accompanied by live music that perfectly capped off our evening. Finally, we retired to our rooms, resting up for the busy day ahead. The day in Isfahan was filled with artistic encounters, cultural exploration, and a delightful blend of historical and modern experiences. We started our day at Naqsh-e Jahan Square, one of the largest and most beautiful squares in the world, surrounded by magnificent historical buildings. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, also known as Imam Square, is a hub of cultural and architectural splendor in Isfahan. First, we visited the Shah Mosque, an architectural masterpiece renowned for its stunning blue tiles and grandiose dome. The Shah Mosque, also known as Imam Mosque, is a quintessential example of Islamic architecture from the Safavid era. After that, we had a short visit to the Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque, a smaller yet equally impressive mosque known for its intricate tile work and unique design. The Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque, unlike most mosques, does not have a minaret or courtyard, making it a unique piece of architecture intended for the private use of the royal court. We then walked up to the balcony of the Ali Qapu Palace to enjoy the breathtaking views of the square. The Ali Qapu Palace, once the residence of Safavid rulers, features beautiful frescoes and a grand music hall with unique acoustics. After that, we visited the Khizari Gate, the main entrance to the Grand Bazaar of Isfahan. We walked around the bazaar, enjoying its vibrant atmosphere and indulging in some shopping. The Grand Bazaar of Isfahan is a sprawling market offering a variety of goods, from spices and carpets to handicrafts and jewelry, reflecting the rich culture and craftsmanship of the region. We finalized our visit with a leisurely walk around Naqsh-e Jahan Square, taking in the sights and sounds of this historic area. Then we returned to our hotel for a well-prepared traditional lunch, savoring the flavors of Persian cuisine. At the hotel, we watched some traditional carpet weaving, a fascinating glimpse into one of Iran's most famous crafts. After lunch, we visited the historical Khaju Bridge, a beautiful structure known for its architectural beauty and the role it played in Safavid-era festivities. Then we passed to another historical bridge called Pol Bridge, which features 33 arches and is a stunning example of Safavid bridge design. Melit Garden, located next to the bridge, provided a peaceful setting for a relaxing walk amidst nature. We finalized our day at the Garsa Monche Hotel, reflecting on the incredible sights and experiences of our visit to Isfahan. This day was a perfect blend of cultural, historical, and leisurely activities, showcasing the rich heritage of Isfahan. We started the day headed from Isfahan to Tehran, with our first stop in the historic city of Kashan. Our first visit was to the Saraya Meraha Hotel to see a traditional Kashan house. Traditional Kashan houses are characterized by their intricate stucco work, beautiful courtyards, and wind towers designed to keep the interiors cool. We experienced traditional rose water production there, a craft that Kashan is renowned for. We then enjoyed an authentic lunch at the Saraya Meraha Hotel, savoring the rich flavors of Persian cuisine. After lunch, we visited Fin Garden, one of Iran's most famous and historic Persian gardens. Fin Garden is renowned for its stunning layout, combining natural beauty with architectural elegance, and it has played a significant role in Iranian history. We walked around the lush green surroundings in the garden, enjoying the tranquil atmosphere and the sound of flowing water from numerous fountains and pools. After that, we visited Agha Bozorg Mosque, an architectural masterpiece located in Kashan. The mosque is renowned for its symmetrical design, elegant brickwork, and serene courtyard, featuring an underground prayer hall and beautiful domes that reflect the pinnacle of 19th century Persian architecture. Then we finalized our visit to Kashan city and headed to Tehran. Finally, we arrived in Tehran and checked into the Parsian Esteglal Hotel, a luxurious and comfortable place to conclude our journey. We had dinner at the hotel, reflecting on the day's experiences. Afterward, we rested in preparation for our last day in Iran. On our last day in Iran, we started our day at the Saabadad Cultural and Historical Complex. The Saabadad Complex is a vast cultural and historical site that includes several palaces and museums, showcasing the opulence of the Pahlavi dynasty. First, we visited the White House, admiring its elegant interior and grand architecture. The White House, also known as the Museum of Fine Arts, boasts lavish rooms filled with exquisite art and furnishings. Then we had a cart drive to the Green House, another prominent palace within the complex. The Green Palace, or Shavad Palace, is known for its lush surroundings and beautifully decorated interiors with intricate mirrorwork. After exploring the Green Palace and its beautiful surroundings, we headed to the Tajrish district. We had some leisurely walks around the traditional Tajrish Bazaar, a vibrant market offering a variety of goods from spices and handicrafts to fresh produce. The Tajrish Bazaar is famous for its lively atmosphere and rich cultural tapestry. After our visit to the bazaar, we turned back to our hotel to finalize our Iranian tour. This last day was a fitting end to our journey, filled with cultural insights and the rich heritage of Iran. My visit to Iran was an unforgettable journey filled with magnificent historical heritages and the authentic structure of cities. From the lush green gardens to the exhilarating desert experience, every moment was a testament to the country's diverse beauty. I indulged in local flavors and delicious Iranian cuisine, delighting in each meal. The friendly people and the pleasure of Iranian hospitality made me feel incredibly welcome. Strolling through colorful bazaars, I was captivated by the richness of art and culture, as well as the unique local productions. The professional and well-organized tour by Visit Our Iran company ensured that every aspect of my trip was seamless and enriching. This journey has left me with cherished memories and a profound appreciation for Iran's heritage and warmth. Thank you for joining me on this incredible 10-day itinerary to explore UNESCO World Heritage Sites, historical cities, and the stunning deserts of Iran. If you enjoyed this Iran travel guide and want more tips on how to travel in Iran, please like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting Iran itinerary adventures and travel to Iran insights.